So now that we have the automation cell in place and the robot, I think it's really exciting morale-wise, first of all, just to see a really beautiful piece of equipment out there. But as far as the productivity and the safety, I man the safety committee, so we've seen injuries decline relating to this. We're also getting a more consistent product, and our quality department is seeing that. We're checking these parts, we're noticing that they're better, they're more consistent, and it's allowing the work to flow faster. We're getting these parts to the customer faster than we did before, and that's great for everybody. We've just really operated through word of mouth, and we've had over the years these little different things that make us special, or that make us, what we all think, better than the other custom injection molder out there. And Formic is one of those things. Having this automation cell, again, it's a really beautiful piece of equipment out there, and it's just a real showpiece. I hope to have other showpieces like that for people to see. And again, showing off in, whether it's video or writing about it, that it's not replacing people, it's enhancing our productivity. It's a productivity enhancer.